Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about uh, find first non-repeated character in the string. This we are going to do by using core Java and also by using Java 8 feature. Let's get started. Now I'm going to create a class. The class name is find first char occur. And here I'm taking the main method. I'm taking string input equal to sys, and here mm, yeah, I'm taking one method, public static character. I want to get the character of the first occurrence. Get first occur char. Okay, and string input. Okay, here I'm taking get first occurrence of character input and getting the character, the result. Yeah, here the result. Result if result not equal to null, then print the result. This out first non-repeated non-repeated character. Okay, result. If it is null, then no non-repeated character form is found. Okay, now I'm creating a map to store the occurrence of each character integer map. Okay, I'm taking some MP equal to new hash map. Here, what we are going to do, we are going to take each character from the string char c input dot to lowercase dot to char array. I'm getting each character, and I'm going to add into the map mp dot put each character comma map dot get not mp dot get or default value. If it is occurring, if it is repeating the character, then we need to increment. Otherwise, if it is not occurring, then the default value 0 will be there. If it is has if the character is repeating, then we are going to increment to +1 here. And now next, uh, for each and mp dot entry set. Yeah, here I'm getting the map dot entry character, comma integer. Here I am taking entry variable colon mp. We are getting each entry contains key and value pair. And here if entry dot get value, the value equal to 1 means only one time the character is repeated, then return that key. Return entry dot get key. If no key is present, okay, if no key is present, then return null. Okay, let's run our program. Java application. First non-repeated character W. Okay, fine. We are getting the first non-repeated character W. Correct. Now, if the interview is going to ask find the second non-occurring character, then how we can do? Yeah, this is the first non-occurring character. Entry dot get value is equal to 1. You get the first non-occurring character, non-repeating character. Okay. So we need to skip this one to get the second value. So for that I'm taking count plus plus. Okay, and I'm taking int count equal to 0. Here we are getting the first non-repeated character value integer 1, and then we are going to print that key. But I want second non-repeated character. Then if count equal to 2, if count equal to 2 means second character, this is the first character will come, it will increment to 1, and next time the non-repeated character will come and it will increment to 2. So I want second character, so count equal to 2, then I want that key. Okay, then it will become second non-repeated character. Okay, let's run our program. Second non-repeated character is I. Yeah, this is the I, second non-repeated character. Now we are going to do this